This is the A-Riser Lite. We're demonstrating how it can be used as a hygiene station. All of this configuration of A-Risers work for this. It simply takes the flipping of the seat board here and an additional optional board that snaps in place at the top. You get the person who needs the hygiene care or changing, and just have them lay here. And now it can be very relaxed. They can sit right here. There's barely any weight on my feet, and they are now totally accessible in a comfortable position for the caregiver and for the patient. And if it takes 30 minutes or an hour, this is still a very fine position to be in. Then they can wheel up the wheelchair or however behind them, and with all of the help here, plenty to grab a hold on, and then can go back in, for example, right back in to a wheelchair if that's the case.